Hello all. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you have seen, we have started with the modeling of this particular stall design. So let's continue this by creating first a table over here. So let's create a table over here. So let's go on to the top view over here. Let's take a line tool. So let's take a line tool over here and let's just draw a table. So take a line tool over here, just push this line up. So push this up over here, rendering, enabling viewport, and make it as rectangular. Increase the length and width of this particular table over here. So I can just increase its length. I can just push it down and I'll increase its width a bit. That's it. Alright. So once you're done with this, you can just push this down and let's convert to editable poly. Select the polygons and use a inset option over here and click on extrude. Just extrude it over here in this way and let's push this a bit inside. So once you're done, you can just give a color to it. So now we need to create the chairs over here. Before that, let's go into this and let's push it a bit up over here. For the chairs over here, what we'll be doing over here is like take a line tool over here and let's go into this. Take a line tool. That's it. So once you're done with the line tool, enabling viewport and increase and decrease its length and width over here. So you can just work a bit on length and width. So once you are done with this over here, so you have an option called refine over here. You can just add a refine option and you can just push it back. Select this and you can use a bit of fillet option over here. You can just use a bit of fillet over here. So once you're done with this, so let's convert to editable poly and just push this out, push it in this way, and let's go into this modeling and use a swift loop, one over here. So before we go with the swift loop, delete this. So go into the edge over here, select the edge and use a connect option over here. Select this edge and use a connect option and click OK. So just press 4 over here and just push it down. That's it. So right click and isolate this stuff over here. So you can just select this vertices and if you want you can just push it back. That's it. So you can just reduce the size of it. Alright. So what I can do now over here is like let's make a table over here. So let's go to the top view and take a cylinder and just push the cylinder a bit up over here. So go into this and reduce its height and sides. Convert to editable poly. So select the edges, select the edges over here, and let's give a bit of chamfer. Click OK. So let's go into this polygon and use a inset over here. Use a bevel and click OK. And let's extrude this down. So you can just extrude it down over here. So now what I'll be doing over here is like press 4 over here. Let's go into the polygons. So you can just extrude a bit over here, push it down and just extrude it. That's it. Just click OK. So once you're done with it, you can just keep it over here as it is. So select this chair, go to the top view over here, and let's give a mirror over here and make a copy of it. So you can just go on duplicating this. So I can just select this hole over here, just push this over here and take one more copy and place it over here. That's it. So save your file again over here. So again take a box over here. Not take a box. We need to create this. For this stand, what we'll be using is like we'll be utilizing a line tool over here. So let's go into this view over here. Let's take a line tool. So select this, just push it up, and let's go into this and reduce its thickness. That's your width over here, and you can just push that out. So you can just push this a bit up. So right click, convert to editable poly, select this polygons, and use a inset by polygon, click OK. So there you will get a glass over here. For the support you can put some kind of stand over here. So you can just place it over here and place it one over here. Alright. And also we need to take one more copy of it. So that would be over here. So just rotate it and just place it. Alright. Save your file again. Keep on saving your file. So let's again go back to the. So for this television over here, LED, sorry, we can just take a box over here. So just take a box and just place it in that way. So convert to editable poly, select this and use a bevel over here and click OK. So select this and use a bit of inset. So right click and isolate this. So you'll just get a, you're going to just place a texture, you're not going to create because it's very far. Alright, so once you're done, you can just keep on saving your file over here. Alright, so we'll continue the rest of the part in the next tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.